Alright guys, if you come to Vivid Sydney, make sure to check out Intel's Eyes on the Harbour. It actually has a RealSense camera that will actually grab your face and actually project it on the screen. So you can pretty much use different looks. It's quite fun and engaging. It's like a seamless experience really. You just stand in front of the camera and sort of instantly projects and maps your face pretty much in seconds in a way.